Filtering your analytics reports is an effective way to gain better insight into your performance. Using Google Analytics and other reporting software offers a great way to track your website traffic, conversion rates, bounce rates, and other data. But the information is sometimes too general. In order to gain a better sense of how your website is performing, you'll want to filter your reports. Customizing your reports gives a clearer picture of what's happening on your website. If you're not already filtering your reports, then look over the following advantages of filtering analytics. Give access to filtered views. One of the first benefits of filtering your analytics is that you can give other people filtered access to your website data. This can be beneficial when you need to give employees access to your data without giving them access to all your website traffic. You get to decide what information or web pages are viewable. For example, you could restrict access to your e-commerce data when giving your editorial team access to your website traffic. Remove internal traffic. When viewing your website traffic, you don't want to include your own traffic. With Google Analytics and other analytics software, you can exclude specific IP addresses. This gives you a more accurate look at your website traffic. If you're checking out your own website throughout the day, you can prevent this from appearing in your total views for the day. Exclude traffic from contractors, designers, and marketers. If you hire any outside contractors to work on your website, you can also exclude their IP addresses from appearing in your analytics. This works the same as removing your own IP address. Create filters for different sections of your website. You can use your filters to divide your website into different categories. For example, you can create a filter that only includes traffic to your product pages. You could also create a filter that only includes data related to a specific marketing campaign. Remove crawler traffic from your analytics. It's disappointing when you see a spike in traffic only to realize that the majority of that traffic came from search engine bots and spiders. CMALT is one of the most common crawlers, but there are others. Search for your traffic for these crawlers and then use filters to exclude them from your analytics. Filter your subdomains and domains. Another filter that can be applied to your reports is subdomain and domain filtering. Use this option to create a separate filter for your blog or specific parts of your site. This is one of the easiest filters to set up. In addition to filtering your analytics, you can also generate custom alerts. You can add filters to these alerts just as you do your reports. Use custom reports to monitor changes to your traffic and to pay attention to trends. Many entrepreneurs use custom alerts to pay attention to changes in search engine rankings and search engine algorithms. Regardless of the filters that you choose to use, you should have one view available that doesn't include any filters. Having one unfiltered view gives you a complete record of all of your data. No matter how many filters you use, there should be one unfiltered view. Now that you know how to filter your analytics reports, make sure that you actually use these practices. Filtering is a great way to examine your performance and refine your internet marketing strategies. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment to click on the subscribe button below to receive notifications when new educational videos are released.